My name is Ms Sayida from the School of Business and Accountancy, teaching business communication, and you're watching NP Lecture Show. Did you know that it takes as little as 7 seconds to make a positive first impression on your audience? Today, I will be sharing with you the top 5 tips on how to ace that business presentation and impress your audience. Tip number 5, grooming. Your personal appearance matters. This includes your hair, face, and clothes. If you're unsure of the dress code, it is always better to overdress than be underdressed. You are, after all, the star of your show. Tip number 4, body language. Stand with an open posture and maintain eye contact with your audience. Talking with your hands using gesture can help foster trust and create an image of self-assuredness. Tip number 3, tone of voice. A simple way to inject enthusiasm into your voice is to smile genuinely at your audience. Exude confidence with a strong, audible voice and slow down when emphasizing keywords. Tip number 2, slide design. Although you are the star of the show, your presentation slides are critical accompaniment to your business presentation. Design slides to wow your audience. You can use great online presentation tools such as Canva and Prezi. Cheer here watches TikTok videos and Instagram Reel for slide design inspo. And my number 1 tip would be to be persuasive. Convince your audience with a story that relates to them. Hope that helps. Stay tuned for the next episode. Bye-bye.